How to create Payeer account. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. So first of all, open up your web browser. Now tap on the search bar and type Payeer. Now click on search. Now open up the first website. Now select website. Tap on create account. Now enter your email address. Now tap on create account. Now go back to your home screen and open up your Gmail. Now open up the first mail. Now copy the code and go back to the browser. Now paste your code here and tap on create account. Now enter your password. Now repeat your password. Now tap on next after typing your account name. Now enter your name. Now select your country and tap on done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.